Hi there and welcome to the Paper Haven YouTube channel. My name is Julie Kettlewell and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the UK. I've been running classes and events for over 12 years and I love sharing my ideas and inspiration using our wonderful Stampin' Up! Products. I have a ton of videos on here for you to give you inspiration and to help you with any of the products that you've purchased. And I run regular classes and events via my YouTube channel, as well as lots of live stream events too. To book onto an event, you can visit my dedicated website, events.thepaperhaven.co.uk. Or to see a little bit more about me, you can visit my general website, which is www.thepaperhaven.co.uk. Here you'll find links to my online store, information about joining my team, and also information about my classes and events, and parcels that I like to send out too. I do hope that you'll have a good look around, and please remember, if you can, hit that subscribe button, and whilst you're there, click on that little bell at the side and then you'll get notifications when I'm live. I hope to see you sharing one of my events soon. Thank you.